fruit garden. Home fruit garden provides conventional access to tasty and nutritious fruits. A fruit garden adds in beauty and function to the landscape. However, some of the challenges associated with fruit gardening include fruit diseases, insects, birds, and weather that might reduce fruit quality. You should plant only what you can care for and avoid overplanting. Fruit type. Decide what fruits to plant based on your preferences for fruits growing and eating, and become familiar with the fruits most and least likely to grow well in your area. Develop a garden plan. Buy plants from retailers that sell varieties adapted for your location. Be aware that some fruits require a second variety for pollination and fruit set, while self-fertile varieties need only one. Space availability may limit what can be grown. For example, a small garden might only have a room for a few grapevines, blackberry plants, or a small strawberry bed. A larger space allows for more plants. Some fruit trees are grafted onto dwarfing or semi-dwarfing rootstocks and require less square footage than a standard-sized fruit tree. Planting site. Fruit plants take up oxygen through the roots and grow best in well-drained soil. To improve drainage on small sites, elevate the planting area with a retaining wall made out of railroad ties or other materials. A percolation test should be performed to measure how fast water is absorbed by the soil. Soil types. Deep, rich, loam soil is best for a fruit garden. Soil can be modified for fruit plants by mixing in organic matter such as compost, aged manure, leaf mold, old silage, rotted hay, or peat. Add at least 2 inches of organic matter to the soil surface and mix it in with the garden fork or rototiller. Soil with at least 2 to 3% organic matter is recommended for fruit gardeners. Soil preparation. The garden site should be ploughed and harrowed or rototilled before planting, just as you would for a vegetable garden. Control weeds by forking the ground, preferably during the fall before planting and again before setting out fruit plants. Field bindweed and other perennial weeds should be controlled before planting. Fertilizing. A soil analysis shall be performed to determine soil pH and available nutrients. In fruit gardens, nutrients should be added and worked into the soil before plants are set out. Care. Low temperatures, especially during bloom in early spring, can destroy fruit flowers, reducing or eliminating the crop for the season. The fruit garden should be located in the area with natural barriers or buildings for protection from cold north winds and south summer winds. Fruit plants require full sunlight for growth, fruit development, and maturity. Fruit plants should be located away from large trees to reduce competitions for soil moisture and nutrients. Manage weeds, insects, and diseases. Prune tree, vine, and bush fruits annually to remove weak fruit. Thank you for watching, and please click on the subscribe button to watch more videos.